I'm still waiting for you about the Ghana.
I'm coming soon.
Like how many weeks? Is it like 2 weeks?
You got it? All right, let's about to go down, Shanat. About to go down. We're about to go down. Got the keys, right? All right, we're about to go.
I'm still waiting. You are the chopping live. You are chopping live. Oh, I can't wait.
We're about to leave, ladies. Where's the crazy girl?
Baby say make you know the lie. Make it tell your friends say you the feelings guy. You carry belly. You go soon bomb, my brother. I got Nita over my team of birthday.
When's your birthday? I thought it's
February 1. February 1.
February what?
Yeah, 1.
You probably grabbed it from my accident, right? I end up there.
I don't know.
Wait, Daddy, why you always inside water? You are a fish?
It's so weird.
Huh?
Why you always inside water? You are a fish?
Why you say?
I'm a fish, yeah.
Why you always inside water? You are a fish, Okada?
I'm a fish.
Oh, because every time
he's a shark. He's not a fish.
he's a shark.
Yeah.
What's up, babe? I just want to see your face. I want to see your face. Oh.
Is that the goat?
Nah, it's still.
I need all your houseboy secrets, Father.
What's up?
Nothing.
I got send you some private jet. You got link. You gonna come meet me in Nigeria?
You gonna send me a private jet?
Yeah.
I thought you had a private bicycle.
I have 2 private jets in Nigeria. Why in California? Why in Nigeria?
You got a private bicycle.
Yeah,
that
sure.
Like a long ride.
No. I have my pilot already in my home.
Where am I gonna go?
You gonna pick me? You gonna meet me in Nigeria?
What is the private jet?
I gonna send you the private jet number. You have a plate number. The plate number is CCC30. You go see you when you enter airport. Just check it. You see Delta plate number of private jet. Check it. Yeah, from there I gonna call my palace. So you gonna pick you gonna come in. I gonna come in. You gonna meet me. You gonna link up.
You're not gonna eat that.
I'm gonna eat it.
No, we'll get a bunch of food from the store. We can go to the bed.
Hello.
I'm gonna order.
What's up?
So you want order?
No.
Yo, what's up? You gonna pick up somebody from California to bring it to me to Nigeria?
You calling in to pick me up?
Yeah, no, I'm calling the pilot. I'm calling the pilot.
Right now. Show us the phone. Let me see.
Hello.
Let me see the phone.
What's up?
Let me see the phone.
I said tomorrow you gonna pick somebody from California to Nigeria for me. Where you are?
Let me see the phone.
No. She's a woman. Babe, he said how tall are you because of the private jet?
He said what? How what?
How tall are you?
I'm taller than you. I'm taller.
Let me see you. Can you just stand? Just stand. Let me see you.
Can you stand? Yes. Stand. So he can see your hand. I am standing up. Oh.
Just stand so that I can see you well.
I'm standing.
I said stand. Do you not sit down? Sit down.
This is how I stand.
I'm done.
I'm standing up.
I mean stand like this.
I'm standing. I'm standing
Like stand
up.
up. I can't see your toe. Come on.
My little goat, you want to see Fufu? That's my goat.
What's Popu?
My goat. I have to bring my goat with me.
You have a boyfriend?
Goat is my goat. I have a little goat.
You are far for the camera. You need to come closer.
I have a goat named Fufu.
What's the Fufu?
You have a goat named Cow.
I have a goat named Fufu.
What's the meaning of Pupu?
My goat is named Fufu.
Nah, her goat is called chicken.
What's the meaning of poo-poo? What's the meaning of poo-poo?
My fufu.
What's the meaning? Fufu. Oh, fufu.
My goat is named Fufu.
Oh. My goat is named Cuckoo.
Okay. Oh, you have a goat too?
Soup
Is it a boy or a girl?
is a half woman and guy and boy.
Okay.
Yeah. I just bought it last week ago from Europe.
Well, I need a house girl recipe. I'm finna go in the house and cook. What you gonna send me? Send Mike a
Okay.
recipe so I can cook it.